Morgan Stanley vs M&T Bank, which is better. Morgan Bank and M&T Bank are both reputable financial institutions, but they cater to different needs and offer distinct services. Here is a comparison to help you decide which might be better for you. Now, talking about Morgan Stanley, the focus primarily known is for its wealth management and investment banking services. So that is their main focus, and that is what they are known for, to provide the wealth management and investment banking services. Now, talking about their services, they offer a wide range of financial services, including investment management, security, wealth management, and also investment banking. Now, talking about the level at which they work with their clients, typically cater to high net worth individuals. That is to say, they only take care, and most time they typically cater for high health individual. So if you are a medium businessman, this is what you need to consider. Let's go. After that, they also provide corporations for institutions as well, and also they also have a strong wealth management and investment banking with a global presence and extensive resources. Now, talking about the M&T Bank, on the other hand, M&T Bank is a regional bank primarily serving the northeastern United States of America, and they provide personal banking, business banking, remote services, and investment services as well. And they also focus on individual and the small to medium sized business. Now, talking about the strength of their community, they have a strong community presence, personalized customer services, and a focus on a local market. Ultimately, the choice between the Morgan Stanley and the M&T banks depends on your specific financial needs and goal. If you are looking for a comprehensive wealth management and investment services, Morgan Stanley might be a better choice. On the other hand, if you need everyday banking services and convenience, M&T Bank could be more suitable and better for you. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button for something like this.